Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to Syntax Technologies. Today we'll continue with our SQL Accounting System training with topic Sales Debit Note. Let's get started. Once you go into SQL Accounting Software, just go to Sales module and you can see Debit Note. Going to Debit Note, you can see a list of all the previous debit note you have created before if you have created any. So same thing, you may use one of the criteria to search for the debit note, and we have more than 20 criteria for you to search. To create a new debit note, just go to New, select Customer, or you can right-click the title and transfer from quotation sales order or delivery order. It's exactly same as sales invoice. But please remember, in e-invoice era, debit note also treat as one of the e-invoice transaction that you need to send to HDM for validation. So in e-invoice era, normally as similar with GST era, you do not need to do debit note. You just create another invoice or e-invoice. But just in case you need to do debit note, no worry, just key in accordingly. Same things, select the item, then click Save. Debit note actually is using after you create an invoice and send to your customer and you forget to include certain charges, maybe delivery charges. So you, instead of create another invoice, you want to use debit note. But in invoice era, as I mentioned, you can just use another invoice to key or to send to your customer as e-invoice also. Okay, so same things because it's similar with invoice. So behind the screen, so the double entry is same with invoice. Okay, so if you need to do e-invoice, then you can see this icon and send to HDN for validation. If you want to print it out, just click on the preview icon, select the debit note format, and print it out. If you are interested in purchasing SQL Accounting Software or sign up support maintainer with us, please contact Syntax Technologies accordingly. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Brian from Syntax Technologies. See you in the next video. Thank you.